If you want to delete your AnyDesk history quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a saved recent session from AnyDesk in just a few simple clicks. This is helpful if you want to clear out old connections, remove clutter from your dashboard, or keep your remote access history more organized. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer. Once the main dashboard loads, look for the section labeled Recent Sessions. This is where AnyDesk stores the history tiles of devices or connections you've accessed before. Now find the history tile that you want to remove. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have multiple saved sessions listed. After that, right-click on the tile. In some cases, you may need to right-click twice to get the proper options to appear. Once the menu is open, look for the option that says Remove Selected Items. Click that option, and AnyDesk will delete the chosen history tile from your recent sessions list. That's it. The item should now be removed from your AnyDesk dashboard, and your recent history will look a little cleaner and more organized. If you ever need to repeat the process, just open AnyDesk again, go back to recent sessions, select the entry, and remove it the same way. It's a very simple process once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.